The mandir itself has also become iconic, historic and a great wonder in its own self. The first phase, which is the B.A.P.S Hindu Mandir, which has been constructed entirely out of stone in a traditional manner, that has been designed by the Sompuras and the entire in-house B.A.P.S planning cell construction team, because it's a traditional method of construction. But the project and the entire complex that surrounds it, what gives this mandir the meaning of a spiritual oasis for global harmony, are the three rivers, Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati, the multi-level whole complex which has the ghats, the majlis, the shoe house, the infrastructure. I want to really mention the great grand hall, the place for the community center, the sand dune that you see that invites people. All of that has been constructed and overseen by Shapoorji.
So this project is something very close to our heart. Started before the COVID times. Initial stage was up to the substructure, wherein you have to create the foundation and the supporting structure for the main temple alone. So subsequent to that, post-COVID, there was a scope which is to complete the remaining part of the mandir, that is all the amenity buildings and your main temple, and to complete the whole thing. The design here is a bit non-conventional. The stone temple versus the modern technology. We have to integrate these two things together. This was a challenge where we are very closely associated with the consultants, the designers and the sculptors who have been sculpting the whole temple, and we have created a composite drawings to ensure the marble pieces which are sculpted in India, when they come here and sit in one place, they should meet the requirement of the final modern technology like air conditioning, lighting, security systems and control and all those things. So this was one of the challenge which in fact we did a close coordination with the team for throughout the duration. Keeping in line with our Indian tradition, where we believe in not using reinforcement steel which has a limited lifetime. The whole structure is designed without using any steel component either in the foundation or in the mandir. So to make it happen, we have to use very high grade concrete of C60 grade with about 45% of fly ash and no reinforcement at all. And instead of reinforcement steel, we had used bamboo as a natural element and some of the glass components wherein to prevent any escalation of the cracks or temperature, etc. So this is one of the largest pour of non-reinforcement concrete, because such a design doesn't really exist in any of the modern buildings.
But our greatest challenge was when COVID came and everything slowed down. But so generously Shapoorji absorbed all the challenges that came without any hindrances or even bickering, and that's what really makes this project deeply spiritual. Whatever you see that has been constructed has been done in just 450 days. It's a matter of maybe 15 months.
So this is about 3,300 cubic meter of one mass pour, meeting the requirements of green building requirements, is one of the largest. And our team worked day and night 24/7. We had deployed more than 2.5 million man-hours of manpower into the project, and we have employed about 7 different nationalities to make sure all the skill set are met within the time frames to ensure completion on time. So we are so proud to be part of this lotus in the desert, which is the epitome, I would say, for the Indian culture in the Middle East. We are proud to be part of this, and the final temple which you can see here is really a proud moment for all the Indians, whether it is in the Middle East or in India or across the globe. We are really grateful to be part of this.
Shapoorji, it's a big thank you from us and a great smile and a deep satisfaction in all our hearts that yes, we have the most ancient temple, traditionally carved and beautifully made in the traditional way, and we have the most modern complex surrounding it, protecting it, created by Shapoorji, and it was a combined effort of love, understanding and satisfaction. We are truly satisfied.